Hello guys, hello. I hope you're all doing good. Okay, this is our weekly analysis for gold market. Our disclaimer, guys. This analysis should be used for educational purpose only. It shouldn't be deemed as a trade idea or investment advice. If it happens that you trade this idea, you are trading it at your own risk. You will not be liable for any loss incurred. Thank you. Okay, now we are looking at the gold chart weekly from a weekly perspective. We want to see what's happening to gold. As you can see, gold had a rally from March, then it made a high in August, then now it's been consolidating lower. As you can see, currently we are on a bearish market. When we look at the weekly chart, you can see that here it has broken the low here, and then it also broke this low here. So what are we having? The institutional overflow, as you can see, it is bearish. That's why we are keep on taking this low. Where is gold really going? My anticipation is gold should reach this level here. That high is 1745. Let's find it. Okay. 1745. So that's my objective for gold. I think on a weekly chart we should come and reach this level 1745, and then from here we might have another leg higher. If it happens we break this, we continue going lower. There's the liquidity pool. We have a liquidity pool below here, and then this will be our ultimate price to find support. So we're studying how gold will react when we reach this level. So we might break here. Now on this coming week, guys, we are looking for the move to continue lower. We're looking for a move to continue lower. Now let's look at the daily chart. From a daily chart, price came and broke this low, and then it reversed. Look where it reversed, and it found support on this bullish candle. Now it is dropping low. So my weekly objective is, I'm anticipating that by the end of this coming week, probably, or the next week coming week, we should reach this level. Correspond 1785. Let's make it 1785. Let's make it 1785. So I think we are coming here. If it continues forward, then there's another level to look at. The low here is 1764. We'll make it 1765. Let's make it 1760. No, let's make it 1764.80. 1764.80. I'll make it 1764.80. 1764.80. I'll make it wrong. Well, I'm hoping about Monday and Tuesday we might come back here to this bearish order block and then we drop lower. So I'll start for myself from this level here. What's the low in this candle? The low in this candle comes at 1834.15. Let's make it 1834. Let's make it 1834. Let's make it 1834. So I'm looking at this move, come here, retrace me a bit, and then drop lower. So let's look at the H4 before we go into that. So if it happens that this candle doesn't give us the support, I'm looking, and then if it happens that we have a close above this candle, then we will be coming to this level here for the week. But generally, I'm anticipating that we should drop. This just a precaution if you choose to retrace deeper. But I'm looking for this here and then drop lower. So let's look at H4. And then from H4, you can see very clear. We had a consolidation, we broke the consolidation. Now we are retracing for retest. And we're going to drop. So retail traders will see this area as a resistance level, so they'll start selling early, but as we are looking for a deeper retracement around this level here on H4, this way we are looking for on H4. So I'm looking at this imbalance to fear. It needs to be formed. This imbalance, it needs to be drop lower. So probably these are our weekly objectives. 1785. That's where we expect Monday and Tuesday. We expect that to have our sell. Okay. We'll be incorporating this strategy for gold to frame the sector, our entry. Then our H1. When you look at the 1 hour, is pretty clear. This imbalance is clear. This candle imbalance, you see, it's only been a down move, so the price needs to come and fill this and then drop. But here we are done. We are done here. You see, price came, dropped, make a high, broke, took out the orders that were here, then drop lower. So we might have the deepest retracement around 1837.50, 1837, maybe 1837.80, 1837.80 should make it on the chart. Then study how the price react. Okay. And then we will be dropping lower. Okay guys, this is our weekly analysis on gold. I'm going to conclude it. Let's just go back to H4. Just showing you what will happen in H1. So our weekly, this is the anticipation. Is to continue this on Monday, Tuesday, going higher, and then from Tuesday or Wednesday, because it can make a high on Monday. Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll be anticipating this move to here. So this week's near-term objective, it might be 1785. Gold might reach for 1785. So you try to sell from here and then drop lower. This is how you see it. Guys, one last thing that I want to credit. I want to give thanks to Michael for teaching me this concept. Mostly he's known as ICT in the streams of this world. I want to thank ICT for this. And mostly I want to thank God for making me cross path with them. So those are our weekly analysis, guys. So I should come here and then drop. We'll be watching how to react here. We'll be watching the reaction here using the gold strategy that we are using to anticipate our entries. But if it continues to drop lower, that's our objective. Because it might continue to just dropping lower but not going there. So still our bias is bearish. We'll be using the strategy to train our sell setbacks. On Monday evening after the market close, I'll analyze the chart also, and then I'll drop a video as soon as I'm done. So remember, guys, to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notifications as soon as I drop the chart. And then on Wednesday we will do the market recap also. So just be always on the lookout for videos on Sundays, Mondays, and Wednesdays. Thank you, guys. Have a good trading week. God bless you.